Okay, let's open the list.php inside of the categories folder. If we scroll right to the top, obviously we won't be using a search form here, as there's no need really. We go into categories normally, there's just a few. Unless you want to use it exactly the same way as we've done in the previous video. Now we have catalog, and we will be looking at a different thing here. So if we will be using paging. So if we leave this one, except products, we're going to have categories now. So if we create this array first, equals, and now object catalog, it's best to copy, randomly type to avoid any misspellings, get categories. Okay, so we have all these categories, we're passing them to the paging, to our paging class basically. Then we get all of the rows ready, admin. So our paging is done. Now heading, we need to change from products to categories. Obviously form, search form is going to be removed, so we can get rid of this. We can remove of this divider as well. Add new will be called new category now. And page equal will be categories. Then action add stays as it was. Okay, then we have if is an empty rows. We will have only 3 columns. So first one will be, rather than product, it will be category. We will have remove and we will have edit the way it is. So we go a little bit lower. Obviously need sorry, not rows, it's going to be as category. Okay, and now we obviously remove this. ID is not going to be ID because we don't need ID. We need the name though. So if we remove the first row completely, we have encode helper encode HTML category name, which is fine. Then we have remove button as well, which basically removes the will remove the category. We obviously have to remove the replace the page products with categories here, and remove ID as well. Only not product. It's going to be product category ID, and the same here. Rather than products, we'll have to have categories. Okay, edit. That's all 5. Paging is done. Else we will simply have one message, because obviously we're not using search here, so we don't have to differentiate between the two. Okay, and now closing PHP tag right here. So if there aren't any records, there will be simply there are currently no categories created. Okay, so that seemed to be all fine. And I think we are actually ready with this page. If we save it, go back to our browser, click on categories. Hey, here are our categories. New category, if we click, is obviously the content of the products page as we copied these pages. If you have remove, again, it's products, and edit. It's also going to the right page. It's just basically having the products content. So let's move to the next video and have a look at the add a new category page.